Welcome back to Junker Clunkers. I am Grady.
And I'm Brittany.
Brittany the technician. Today we're going to go ahead and paint the bed. The sides, the jambs, sides. I already said that. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take off this lettering. We're going to pop these off. We're going to pop this off. Take the tailgate down off, and then the tail light, and then we've got to do a sand on the whole thing, the whole bed, wipe it down, and then start painting it. We got Napa mixing up paint, so they should be here within the next half hour, 45 minutes, so let's get rolling.
Yep.
All right, so we got the bed all sanded down, all cleaned up. Just gonna mix the paint now. We're going with some Nason Fast Dry. Just have to add the reducer. I am not perfect at mixing, nor am I perfect at spraying. So hopefully this turns out pretty good for the video. You always want to use a mask. Brittany the camera girl has a mask on. Bob over in the corner has a mask on. The dogs are not outside. I do not like how blotchy it is. I'm gonna go turn the air up a little bit. Hold on to that. Looks a little less blotchy. Wish I could get it to turn though.
Why didn't we use this for our walls?
There we go. Lay it down, okay.
I noticed after you painted there was another small dent. Do you notice that?
I'm sure there are. I'm sure there's several small dents. Can you do me a favor and get what I'm doing good?
Yep. Oh, we stole some stuff over there.
Huh?
We stole some stuff.
Cheyenne, can you pull this down, please? We're trying to get the spray to not be all over the truck. If we get some tape.
He's here somewhere.
What? Yeah, it's got sparkles in it.
Sparkly.
Yeah, it looks pretty decent.
Yeah. I'm trying to get different angles to make it interesting.
Are you doing down there?
Oh, I think we're gonna run. How is it?
Good.
We'll walk around and look, sir.
Yep. What about the inside of the truck then?
Not.
Not worried about it?
No.
Over here on the gas field.
Yeah, it seemed to flatten it out pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. What? That better?
Yes. You said not to worry about the inside of the door?
What do we think?
Awesome.
I do good?
You do good.
Hit it all the way. Hit it, press it all the way. Okay. Hit the other side. Isn't that fun?
Yeah. It was very satisfying. You should have done this to the bedroom wall.
They do make a spray gun for inside.
Why didn't we do this?
Okay. There, as we can tell here, you can tell, she's all painted. By no means is it perfect, but it's going to serve the purpose that I need. I actually don't have any runs. I got some pretty bad orange peel, but that's probably because of the cheaper gun. But once again, I'm okay with this. I'll show you the other side. Sorry for the sun. On camera. There we go. It's pretty close to paint match. Obviously you got sun fade from the original paint. I'm pretty satisfied with it. It cost 75 bucks in a couple hours. Very satisfied with it actually. Alright guys, so we've got the bed painted. This side is a little shinier than the other side, but you know, I'm not that upset about it because the color is pretty damn spot on. It sticks out a little bit, but nothing too terrible. So right now what we got to do is we're gonna go from this body line down, and I'm gonna go this body line around the wheel wells, and we're gonna go ahead and sand these and make them, we're gonna scuff them up. Because we're gonna do a Raptor liner on the bottom half of it today. I'm hoping that that part will get done today. So let's see where we get done. We're just gonna go ahead and scuff close to this body line, down like I said, and we're gonna tape this off here in a little bit. And the reason we're only going halfway up here is mainly just to protect this this lip here, because we're going to be putting greens here. We're going to be putting some wheel flares on it. I can't speak today. So here we go. Let's start getting sanding. This doesn't take too long. You just want to scuff it up. Oh, there, Mr. Green.
Hey, sorry.
No, I get it. I used to be quite support. I mean, I still am. Pride Award.
You got a Pride Award?
Yeah.
Oh,
It
cool.
says underneath that you had determination, empathy, and respect.
All right. Good job. Love you.
Love you. You want to know something?
Sure.
My class has a 76. My lowest grade is the one I got this in.
Wow.
English. I said English is my favorite class this year.
Well, it should be. I mean, you speak it, so.
Oh,
I love you, Brett. What are they doing in this place?
Why?
Huh?
I said why?
Because the tape came off.
So, Oh. Whew.
There we go, guys. Raptor lining that front bumper definitely did this truck wonders. I think it gave it a nice facelift. It's a little more rugged in the front, as I do push stuff with this truck. I do eventually want to find a bull bar or a brush guard or something like that. Now, I know that this isn't perfect here, but the reason that I did this is to try and just save on the metal. We actually have fender flares we're going to put on this. A little bit of a spoiler alert. That's what the doors look like. I think I'm probably going to do the inside, the back side of the doors too. I'd like to try and do that before winter. Yeah, man. I'm very happy with this. Then you can this is one of my favorite parts. Remember that piece we fixed? Where'd it go? Yeah, I guess if you stare at it you probably be able to find it, but I think that does it justice. We did the little tail pan piece there. We also did the hitch. We ground that down, cleaned it up. That makes it just look a lot better. This side. Try to get over here. Tight quarters here now. We went up around the wheel wells. Once again, doesn't matter much. So we're going to be doing yeah, can't even think now. Lots and lots and lots of work went into getting it to this point. We are not done by any means. All right, there you guys have it. F350, bed's on, bed's painted. Raptor line. We still got a couple other things we need to Raptor line, like the steps, the rear bumper, and the inside of the doors. But hey, she's coming along. She's coming along great. Hopefully, we got one more video left in it. One more. Maybe two. We'll have to wait and see. So I need you guys to go ahead and continue liking, sharing, and subscribing. Channel's growing. Absolutely love the comments that are coming through. Please keep it up and keep following. We have some really cool stuff coming. Just picked up another project today, actually. So you guys are going to want to tune in for this one. It's a pretty rare vehicle. I've personally never seen one. Maybe you have. But that'll be coming up in a couple of videos ahead. So please like, share, and subscribe. Check us out on Instagram and Facebook, both at Junker Clunkers. And don't forget to check out our live show coming up on Thursday, the 4th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We'll see you guys there. Thank you very much.